Google's Antigravity is the best AI assistant coding IDE in 2026. On the other hand, OpenCode is open source and it can generate code almost as good as Cloud Code or Gemini. But OpenCode is completely free and there is no limit of how much you can use OpenCode. So if you just combine Antigravity and OpenCode, you are going to get a free AI tool which will let you build any kind of website completely for free. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Antigravity with OpenCode and create a complete project, both front end and back end. So for it, first of all, open your Antigravity. So right now we are going to create a folder and we are going to open that folder in the Antigravity. So right now I'm going to click on File, then click here Open Folder, and let me just create a folder over here. So let me just right click, then click on New, and the folder name will be, let's say, Antigravity dash OpenCode. Then I'm going to select this one, then click here select folder, and then you can see this folder is opened over here. So right now we're going to install OpenCode in the Antigravity. So how can we do it? So for it, here you can see extensions option here. So you need to click here, and in the search option you need to search for OpenCode. So once you search for OpenCode, you will see this icon over here. Here you can see OpenCode. So we need to click here, and there you can see install option. So you need to click on install, and there you can see it is installed. So after that, in order to open the OpenCode CLI, here at the top, you will see this icon over here. The thing is, if you now just close this, you won't be able to see that icon. So you need to go to the extension, search for OpenCode, then click here, and then you'll be able to see the icon here. So you need to click on it, and it will open the OpenCode CLI over here. So there you can see. So now I can just close this, and let me just go to my folder location. So first of all, what we are going to do is that we're going to generate a plan using anti-gravity, and we're going to execute that plan using OpenCode. But before that, here you can see anti-gravity setting. So here you need to click on anti-gravity setting, and here since we are using anti-gravity with OpenCode, so for this just make a little bit of changes, and that is here you can see auto execution. Here you can see you need to make it request review, and then choose this request review as well, and just do this when you are using anti-gravity with OpenCode. Okay, so after that just minimize that, and then I'm just going to write a prompt over here, and that prompt is I want to build a inventory management system using Django and SQLite. I want the admin panel design to be modern and with fully functional. Do not use Django default admin panel. So I want to make a plan for this. So I'm going to select the planning mode. Then for the thinking, we are going to choose this model, Cloud Opus 4.5 thinking. So this is really good at generating plan. So that's why I choose this model. Then I'm going to click here send, and it will start creating a plan for us. And they can see it created a task file for us, and it also created the implementation plan for us. And since we made those two auto execution off, that's why it just stop after making the implementation plan. So right now here you can just review the implementation plan. So right now I'll just directly copy the plan from here, and I'll just copy it up until this part. So I'll just copy it, Control C. So after copying the plan, I'm just going to close those, and I'm going to paste the prompt in the OpenCode. And one more thing, that is, if I just over here slash models, then press enter, it will show us all the available model over here, you can see. And if you want to see all the providers, you need to press Ctrl plus A. But we are going to choose this model Big Pickle, which is completely free and there is no limit of how much you can use. So I'm just going to choose Big Pickle, and here I'm going to paste the prompt. So I'll just press Ctrl C, and there you can see pasted 120 lines. So we are going to press enter, and OpenCode will start executing the plan for us. So this will take some time. Right now I'll just fast forward the video, and this will create both front end and back end part for us. Okay. So here you can see the prompt is complete and it took around 18 minutes 21 second. And here you can see it is telling us to run the project. So it actually automatically run those command, but if you want you can run those command again. But the only command that we need to run is this one, python manage.py run server. So for it we need to open the command prompts, and here you can see terminal. So I'm going to click on terminal, then click here new terminal, and here we are going to say we are going to write this command python manage.py run server. So I'll just copy and paste it over here, then press enter. So this will run our project. So here you can see it gives us an address. So I'm just going to copy this address, then I'll go to any browser, then paste it here, then press enter. And there you can see this is our login interface. So first of all, we need to give the username and password. So if you face an error, just copy the error and paste it over here, and OpenCode will solve the issue for you. So here we're going to ask for the admin username and password. So I'm going to say over here, give me admin username and password, then press enter. So it will give us the admin username and password. And there you can see this is the username. Username is admin, password is admin123. So I'm going to say over here admin, and password will be admin123, then click here sign in, and there you can see it took us to the admin dashboard, and the design is actually really solid, as you can see. So the planning was created by Antigravity and design was, or the code was written by OpenCode, and the design is actually really good. There you can see there is some hover effect over here, and the color combination is awesome, and there is no error over here. And one more thing, if there is any error, you can just copy the error and give it over here. And if for some reason, let's say you do not like the design by OpenCode, then you can use Antigravity to make the design. As you can see, we made the complete front end and back end, all the database, everything with just a simple single command. We just keep the command in the Antigravity make the plan, and OpenCode write the code for us, and it gives us an awesome website or a inventory system which looks premium and everything working properly, as you can see. So yeah, I hope you right now know how you can use Antigravity with OpenCode and create any kind of project completely for free. I hope this was useful. If you want me to make any kind of specific video related to AI, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.